Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove an audio from your video on the Clipchamp application. So first of all, of course, all we need to do, just go and open whatever Clipchamp you have, of course. And of course, if you don't have it, you'll have to go and download it through any browser you're using. And of course, the download will be pretty simple because you must have been downloaded something on your PC before. It will be the same steps. And of course, if you are a Windows 11 user, you will find it's downloaded already into your PC directly, so you don't need to do anything. And if you are a Windows 10 user, you might have it, but some users have it, some users don't. So of course, if you don't have it, just go and download it. For me here, once it's downloaded, once you have it, just go and open it up, as I am going to do here. And of course, when you open it, you will need to actually log in into your account if you have an account. And of course, if you don't have an account, just go and create one, then log in into it so you can start using it. And here you'll be able to create a new video, record something here, or just start editing some of your recent videos, which I'm going to do here. And of course, I told you I would like to show you how to remove a video from a video in the beginning of the video. So of course here we can just go, of course, if you have nothing here, you can import some of your videos, or you can just choose some of their stocks videos here, which I did. You'll have just those, which is free to use. You can see whatever you want, which I use this video for me. And of course here, once you actually choose it, you can just grab it here, or you can click and this to add it to this timeline like that, because you will not find it like that, you will find it like that, empty. You can drag it or add it by this green option, which is add to timeline. And here, if you want to remove the video or the audio, simply click on it, go here to sorry. The video has no audio. That's why it doesn't show here. So let me just import something from my things. So let's import this one as an example and drag it here. And now when I click at the video, as you can see, this video has audio. So of course you can just lower the volume to 0. And now it will has no audio, and you can just export it and you'll be good to go. So this is actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching, and goodbye.